Okay folks, this will be an interesting one. A little bit challenging perhaps, for all I know. Probably a minimalist piece, maybe. Don't know, we'll soon find out. The nerds will inherit the copier world. Yes, they will, folks. I wonder if 200 is too small. Or maybe it's the right size. 210 by 210. Ah, fuck. Well, at least it was a feature clash. Stupid user interface that this company, Konica Minolta, have created. I actually think maybe a bit of extra contrast. I don't know how this is going to look. Anyway, what is it? It is a charging cable for Android. It's probably broken on the inside. I found it on the side of the road. Not good to dump e-waste, even though it was in a bag. I think 200 is, even 200's too large, so I'm going to reduce that size. This looks like going to make it into, I don't know how big we're going to make it. I do think we might put a piece of paper behind it to give it a bit of... We don't want to use too much black toner if we can avoid it. We're probably going to run out of it pretty soon, but I don't know. Yeah, still looks a bit black, and we still got that enlarged off. Wondering if maybe we could turn it around or leave it like that. It's going to be really a boring minimalist piece by the looks of things. Maybe we could flip it. I do think it's going to look better that way, and we're going to fit this right in the corner like so. So we're just going to line it up in the corner, and it'll be a little bit B6. Okay. So 100 and... going to make it bigger than that, and here is going to be 100, maybe 170. So we're going to make this. We'll go back to what we had, 210 by 170. I think we're going to leave the paper out, maybe. Yeah, that looks interesting. It still looks like we cut a bit of that off. We didn't want to. Going to move that down a bit. Just trying to think, folks, how to do this. maybe a little bit smaller on the vertical and a little bit more on the horizontal. I do think we can push that up a bit. Maybe I don't know why I did that. Yeah, that looks brilliant, almost. It looks very dark. We're going to move that, going to enlarge that up a bit again, and maybe across further. Looks a bit boring, this piece. It's going to be a boring sort of piece, I do think. We're going with the dot matrix, I do think. Keep doing this user interface is a pain. Yeah, that looks interesting. Looks like we've enlarged that pretty much to the end, and maybe we can enlarge that again. I don't know if the dot matrix, it's made it more pink, I do think. Pardon the rhyme. I don't like rhymes or things like that. Maybe we'll make it 155. $156. Yeah, that looks interesting. I do think maybe, yeah. I think that's going to be the centre of the job. Well, this piece is going to no doubt be a minimalist piece. I'm not a big fan of minimalism, folks. I do find it quite boring, but sometimes my work ends up like that. But that's all right, because some people like it. I know they do, and I want to appeal to a wide audience, including the minimalist crowd, because they love all this simplicity in the image. I don't like it to be simple myself. I try my best to make my work relatively complex, but sometimes you do get, on the other hand, you do get images that do look too complicated, or what they call busy. I don't like it too busy either. I've got to make it mirror image. So yeah, somewhere between the extremes of minimalism and busyness, as in busy looking images with lots of detail and fineness to it. But art is indeed a very subjective thing. Some people like this and some people like that. Some people hate this or dislike this or dislike that. You can't please everyone when it comes to art. But I don't subscribe to just one movement of art. As you can see, I like to mix it up. Let's see how we go with this. Anyway, actually that's quite nice. I think now we can call this demo quits.